Good evening to all of you. I myself Bhargav Hattekar. I'm from Computer Department of HGGS IENT, welcoming all of you for our Positive Thinker session that we are going to have today, entitled as "Can Faith Be Reasonable?" I'm really thank you all of you for joining, giving out your time today evening. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, so today we'll be seeing on this very important topic of can faith be reasonable? Yeah, many times we may have a question that is the faith in spiritual life is it really important? Is it really based on some solid scientific facts, or is just a blind faith? So to get answers of these questions, we today will be discussing on this very interesting topic. And to discuss on this topic, we have a very wonderful personality today with us. We have uh, we have Mr. Ranganath Bandari sir today with us. I'll just take this moment to introduce sir. I hope you all can see my screen. Yeah. So today we'll be listening from Mr. Ranganath Bandari sir. Sir has been a technical manager in Tech Mahindra, and he has more than 20 years of experience in the IT field, and he has worked at Hewlett Packard and Nest Technologies, and also has stayed overseas for 8 years in countries like Canada, Australia, and Malaysia. And sir is also working as a part-time professor in Vishwakarma Institute of Pune, that is VIT Pune. Yeah. So very amazing personality sir is, and he has been giving the Discover Yourself sessions to many students from SDGS IENT, and conducting sessions on Positive Thinker also, Positive Thinker course also. Yeah, so we are very thrilled and excited to have sir here with amongst all of us. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out your time and and sharing your words with all the students of SDGS IENT. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, so without further ado, I'd like to hand it over to Ranganath sir. And yes, sir, please.
Thank you, Bhargav. Thank you for introducing me. Thank you very much. So, good evening, everyone. Hope you can see. One moment. You all can see the screen now.
Yes, sir, we can see the screen.
Okay, great. So before I start, actually, I thank everyone. I know it's a weekend, so almost in the weekend. So usually when I was working for a software companies, a weekend start, especially in the Western countries, weekend starts in the Friday afternoon. People start planning what exactly we are planning to do in the weekend, and we spend a lot of time in planning. And on the Monday morning, we usually discuss what has happened in the last 2 days. So it's good to see that you all come here for a very important session. Okay, so can faith be reasonable? Okay, so this session, okay, you have already attended some sessions, okay, especially on the journey of self-discovery or device courses. So this session is the turning point, okay, which will be differentiate what exactly the blind faith is and what is the reasonable faith. Okay, so it will take you through our journey, how exactly, and a deep, we have to think, how exactly. See, this session, what we'll do is we'll make it more interactive. Okay, probably I also need a volunteer also going forward. So we'll start with this, but we'll make it more interactive session. So let's start. Okay, we have already 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So we'll just start it. Okay. Science and spirituality. Okay, so let's understand what exactly faith means. Okay, so belief also we use the word belief, but faith is some has some deep meaning in that. So faith is needed even in everyday day-to-day life, right? So what exactly this faith is? So let's take a Oxford dictionary. The faith, okay, firm beliefs without logical proof. Okay, again I'm repeating, firm belief without logical proof or a material evidence. So that is faith. Of faith means you do an activity expecting a result, but result is not guaranteed. Okay, so this is the faith. Okay, so but let's take it, we all coming from science background, right? Most of us studied science and even now continue to study. Most of you are coming from engineering background, so you all studied. So what exactly science? The tendency to disbelieve. What exactly the doubt means? Tendency to disbelieve. अच्छा ये भी हो सकता है, मे बी नॉट, एक्चुअली नहीं हो सकता होगा. So I think the science deal with the facts, right? We all know that science means पहले prove the cow, proof. Okay, so today's session is it's a kind of eye-opening, many things even in science. Okay, I will share the continuation of that. I'll share in the further slides. Okay, so I think the science deals with the facts and the religion deals with the faith. Okay, let's see this understanding, is it really correct or not? Okay, let's see this. Sorry, sometimes my laptop hangs. Okay, faith is required not only for a religion, but even every walks of life. See, let's take this example. Every part in every moment we live that, yes, every walk of life we have this faith. How? Every moment. I will just take an example, weird example. Okay, we all know the World Trade Center, when World Trade Center crashed by the aeroplanes. So for next 1 week, there was absolutely zero passengers, absolutely zero. No one was willing to get into the planes because they were thinking that syndrome, phobia रहता है ना, phobia. So as soon as plane में चढ़े तो मतलब ये plane जाके किसी को किसी building को जाके मारेगा. During that time, 1 week it was like that, and after post 1 week, again back to the normal. People had a faith back to the normal, saying that yes. So even same thing happens even during, if you go to the actually कब आया था tsunami? I don't remember the exact year when this happened. Tsunami, next 1 year or 2 years, there's people had a phobia. Oh, yes, not 1 or 2 years, maybe probably a one year or so. The travel industry has affected a lot, especially the coastal areas, because there was hardly anyone coming into the beach. Beach mein maybe pani aayega, because we have seen so many videos, so many millions of people dying. Okay, especially hundreds and thousands of people dying in India. Okay, so it has impacted the and bad. Now later on, after few months, back to normal. I had a faith, right? Deep inside, we had a faith कि ये कुछ होगा नहीं. So every moment in our life, we have this faith. Take example. In a simple realistic, I'm sitting in a 9th floor of a apartment. Okay, I have a strong faith, right? This apartment गिरेगा नहीं बोल के. Their pillars are there. Strong faith is someone, we have so much of faith that yes, the जो builder construct कर रहा है वो सही कर रहा है. We don't check whether this. Sorry, can you all please go on a mute? Yeah, thank you. Okay, so whichever building, wherever you're staying, we have a strong faith that अरे ऊपर से छत नहीं गिरेगा सर के ऊपर. Okay, we all have that faith. Or for that matter, when we are driving somewhere, we reach the destination, right? समझो yes, बच्चे को zoo लेके जा, yes, child knows that my father is going to take me to the zoo, right? We all have that. Or person walking on the रोड के ऊपर चलता है तो उसको पता रहेगा कि अरे गाड़ी आके मुझे ठोकेगा नहीं. और when you are driving on the road, okay, चलाते समय एक सिग्नल रेड लाइट आया तो रुकना है, ग्रीन लाइट आया मतलब you have to go, means we know that yes, no one will hit. Okay, we all having every moment, you look at every moment around you, we have that faith. Okay. Every moment. Okay, when you take example of you're traveling in a train or even a street bus, हम लोग ये नहीं पूछते कि अरे ड्राइवर के पास सच में लाइसेंस है कि नहीं. Okay, does he have a license or not? We don't check. We had a faith. ऑटो वाले के साथ, उबर के साथ, उबर और एनी, we understand that उबर का ही बंदा है, फोन में आया तो ही कनेक्ट हुआ, so we understand that. So we have this faith and many things, like you all are college students, right? You also understand that ये so and so फलाना कॉलेज में ज्वाइन होने के बाद मुझे जॉब मिलने का चांसेस है, इसलिए इधर ए कॉलेज में ज्वाइन हो, राइट? We all kept that faith. मुझे प्लेसमेंट मिलेगा. Okay, I will get, first of all I will get a graduation, graduation का सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा. Okay, so and so इतना परसेंटेज मिलने का चांसेस है बोल के, and I'll get some job in so and so company. Okay, so we all have that. For that matter, this faith starts from the start, from the baby. Okay, small baby have a faith that yes, जो भी पिला रहे माँ जब दूध पिलाते हैं बच्चे को, बच्चा even and of course have a limited understanding, but still had a faith that yes, this milk is for me. Okay, never think kind of a poison or something like that. Legendally, you will know that in the pastime of Krishna, the Putana gave a poison. Krishna was just two days old. Okay, so we have a faith that yes, that won't happen. Okay, faith starts from there, right? In the same way, if you see, one moment. The same way, when we if you go to the any Western countries, Australia, America or any countries, वहाँ पूरे jobs रहते, temporary jobs. We all in India it is used to ना, एक बार job लग गया मतलब yes, people cannot remove it. But in Western countries it's not like that. Okay, yes, आज job मिला, कल रहेगा कि नहीं पता नहीं. So that's how the America ones, they pay high, but there is no guarantee that your job will be there. Steve Jobs, for that matter, Steve Jobs was once kicked out of Apple company. उसमें से उसको they throwed him out. Of course, later he joined back. Okay, but the fact is, whatever skill you may have, it's again that we are dealing with a human, so you've been kicked out or anything can happen. So but still we have a faith that our job रहेगा बोल के, सबको faith रहेगा. हाँ, marriage, that matters to not just in America, to any country, but you know that in America 70% of the marriages break. Okay, within first 3 years of their marriage. तो पता नहीं घर, as soon as you reach home, हमारा relationship रहेगा नहीं रहेगा, पत्नी रहेगी मेरे साथ नहीं रहेगी, कुछ भरोसा नहीं. But still people go for marriage. They have a faith that हाँ, शादी करेंगे, रहेंगे, हमेशा रहेंगे. We all have that, right? Faith. So in the same way, we go to the hospital. Okay, हमारे COVID, ये COVID मेरा, डॉक्टर मेरा COVID निकालेगा अंदर से, whatever medicine he will give. We have a faith on the doctor, right? When we go to the hotel, हमें खाना जो दे रहा है वो सही दे रहा है. He is not mixing any poison, or he is not giving some kind of a stale food, so it can which can cause our kind of a क्या बोलते हैं, poisoning, food poisoning. So we have that faith, right? हम लोग रेस्टोरेंट जाके खाते हैं, हाँ अच्छा ही देगा बोलते हैं. So that faith we have, and the most amazing thing is we give our life almost to a barber. समझो, we are giving. It's almost, we all know, right? We all go to the barber for uh, for haircut or maybe even for shave, right? So it can just, it's a matter of a moment. Our life is in hands, in his hands. उसके हाथ में है, उसके हाथ में सब ऐसा थोड़ा हिल गया बस, कट फट, our life is, we are dead. So how we can, we just have a faith, complete faith on him. So in our day-to-day life, every moment, okay, हमें जो खाना मिल रहा है, घर का खाना हो या बाहर का खाना हो, we are saying that yes, this food is good for me, right? Okay, we have a faith. People go out, even in during the COVID, people go out, have a faith that जो mask पहन रहा हूँ उसके अंदर से नहीं घुसेगा बोले. We have faith that mask, सिर्फ mask, which can save our life, right? So yes, we have that faith. So in one sense, if you see, अच्छा ठीक है, I have this faith because seeing is believing. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, हाँ मैं, you know, I have a faith because I will see, when whatever I see, I believe in that, right? So we all have that. Okay, but there are many things, even if we see, we don't believe it. Okay, take example. आप जो horizon देख रहे हैं, okay, now you see that from far, okay, the land and the sky is meeting at one particular point. Okay, you know for sure that both are not, you know, both the earth, the surface, and the what you are seeing, the sky, or for that matter, हम लोग, if you go to the ocean, okay, you see that nice beautiful sunset. Okay, sunset, when you see, you know that yes, sun is, it's from far, how exactly it looks, अच्छा, you know, ये सूरज है ना पानी के अंदर डूब रहा है ना, हम लोग को पता है कि yes, ये नहीं डूब रहा है, हम लोगों को पता है. So it's not like that all whatever we are seeing is believing. We have our faith is different and what exactly we are seeing. So we know, हम लोग को पता है कि ये सूरज नहीं डूब रहा है, और दोनों, for that, take example of mirage. Okay, we know when we are driving the vehicle, yes, we know that अरे ये सब बारिश नहीं हो रहा है, actually ये पानी है, पानी की तरह दिख रहा है, but it's not. Okay, it's just a mirage. Or for that matter, when we see a train track, okay, dono track, you know, at one singular point pe, you know, as if they're intersecting at one single point, but they are not. We know that seeing is believing, but in many places we say that we have a faith that ye nahi ho raha hai. So hope you all are with me. For that matter, you see that there is a time. Okay, now so far what we have discussed, seeing is believing, but many things we don't see but we still believe. What is that? We don't see but we still believe. Okay, which are those? So samay abhi, you know, the time is right now, it's almost 7:20. Okay, we know for sure time chal raha hai, even though we don't see that, we hame pata hai ki samay chal raha hai. Okay, in the same way, Gandhiji, we haven't, none of in our session, no one have seen Gandhiji, no one was there during the independence, right? But we still strongly believe, yes, we accepted that, yeah, Gandhi is there, was there, we know that Gandhi was there during the independence, right? And also for that matter, very simple, but in our science, okay, we know for sure that yes, there is atoms, and you know, these things we cannot see with our naked eyes, but we know for sure it is there. For that matter, in our mathematics, I, okay, which is imaginary number, okay, but we still believe in that. So cosmic level, microscopic level, at every level we see that these things are exist. These things are, we know that it is exist, but we cannot see those things. for that matter, most of us, I believe, we haven't visited America. Okay, but we still believe there is a country called America. So seeing is believing, not always. Things which we don't see also we believe in. Okay, so if we, for that matter, even science require faith. Okay, science may any actually oxymatic truth bolte hain. Okay, so I'll just make it very simple. So if you look at it, हमारा science के हिसाब से देखे तो, and Einstein mentioned this very theory called MC square, but actually we cannot prove that, but we have a faith that exists, right? For that matter, singularity, you all know singularity, right? Singularity at a single point where there is which mathematically indescribable. Okay, infinitesimal, it's infinite density, but that is there. Okay, Big Bang theory, but people believe in that. People believe in that. We cannot see, but we accept it, right? For that matter, dark in a space may dark matter, or for that matter, dark energy. Okay, no one can see. Okay, but science proves that yes, it is there. Okay, for that matter, एक minute, just some time. Sorry, sometimes it hangs. Okay. So yeah, so take example, electron. If you see, there is electrons ऐसा है. Okay, electrons cannot be seen because जब light particles, protons, it strikes those electrons, and by the time it reaches our eye, at the time it comes back to our eye, electrons have moved from its position. So practically we cannot see, but we accept that electrons are there. Okay, so that's how we believe in electricity, right? No one can see the electricity, but it's there. Okay, so if you want to know, yes, you put the finger in the plug, then you will know. Okay, so many things even in the science, we just believe it. We don't ask questions. You all know absolute zero, which is actually what do you call that? Zero Kelvin. Zero Kelvin ही बोलते हैं ना? Which is impossible, right? 273 degrees centigrade, which is impossible goal. We cannot remove the heat at that level. We cannot make it at the most we can come to 0.2, 0.2, but we cannot come to the 0 Kelvin. But still, the theory, okay, we accept the theory. So even these things can be proven only through mathematics, but we accept it. We accept it, right? So even in science, so it's just to give a very simple one small story. There was a frog. Okay. There was a frog. Okay. This frog, what we can say, it's a doctor frog. Doctor frog क्या करता है? वो क्या, it stays in the well. Okay, कुआं के अंदर रहता है. And that कुआं, it's like they don't, seeing is believing. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, whatever I can feel it, I can see it, only then I'll believe it. Okay, सबका similar kind of a mentality, right? Seeing is believing. Okay, so that kind of a mentality this Dr. Frog had. Okay, there was one more frog. After many days, this frog came to meet, the smart frog came to meet Dr. Frog. Okay, इससे मिलने के लिए कुएं के अंदर आया. तो उसने बात करते हुए बताया, यस, डॉक्टर फ्रॉग को बताया कि यस, आपको पता है, I have seen something amazing. तो डॉक्टर फ्रॉग बोले, क्या देखा है? Okay, even I have seen so many things in this well. I've seen so many things. You tell me what exactly you have seen, which I don't, which is amazing for me. Okay, so उसने बताया, आपको पता है there is an ocean which is huge. तो डॉक्टर फ्रॉग बोलता है ocean which is huge. See, for a Dr. Frog, na, it's sense perception, right? It whatever is seeing. So huge का मतलब क्या है? It is this much. Frog. दूसरा वाला frog बोलता है नहीं नहीं उससे बड़ा. अच्छा this much. नहीं उससे बड़ा. This much. नहीं उससे बड़ा. So you mean to say it's as big as this well? नहीं कुआं से भी बड़ा. Dr. Frog क्या बोलता है? Impossible. I don't believe in you. So this is the similar mentality of a atheistic scientist. Na? Seeing is believing, right? So, but this frog cannot understand the ocean कितना बड़ा है. Cannot understand how big it must be. It cannot even imagine. The frog cannot even imagine, right? See, it cannot even think. Okay. So in the same way, when we have a blind faith of on what exactly on this Dr. Flock have a blind faith on what? Blind faith on mind and senses. Dr. Flock. हाँ, मेरे sense perceptions इतना ही है. I have a complete faith on my senses, so I believe it. This much only. So it cannot fathom beyond that. Okay. The same way, although they can't prove, like the atheistic cannot prove that God does not exist. They cannot prove. Okay. But still they strongly believe that God does not exist. Okay. So this is what the atheistic understanding. Okay. So we have to understand what exactly we believe in. So what exactly we believe? So there is the tride. Okay, I'll just share with you what exactly this tride, and we all know matter, right? Okay, this is called as MSG. MSG. So what exactly this MSG is? Okay, we all know matter. Okay, so the soul, the individual soul, the Jivatma bolte hain. Sanskrit mein Jivatma bolte hain na. So Jivatma will interact with the matter. How? We all discussed in the device or journey of self discovery में क्या सीखे हम लोग? Soul is in this body. Body is a matter, and the soul is the the spiritual. The soul is the jivatma, right? So we have interacted. So these two have a connection. In the same way, we also have a discuss in detail that yes, God created matter. Whatever you are seeing around, whether it is a mountain, hills, ocean, anything what nature has provided, everything is created by the God. In fact, whatever you see, even in one sense, if you see the laptop or for everything comes from the God, because without the raw materials, you cannot create this laptop or any man-made items, right? So everything, the source remain the God. And so yeah, now the main connection we have to make is between the God and the soul, the relation, the connection. Okay, we have to establish that connection between the God and the Jivatma. Okay, so science teaches किसके बारे में? Science teaches only about a matter. सब कुछ matter. Okay, so that is only matters for them. Okay, which is matter, which is actually, if you see in this three is only one part of it, which is actually approximately 1/3 of it. Okay, so we understood or with the different sessions, we in the past sessions we understood that who we are, the soul. Okay, so we have a little more knowledge. In the same way that we also understood what is the God. Okay, so that's how now we'll discuss this entire, when we understand this God, soul and matter, when we understand all together, this is the complete knowledge. Kya? MSD means basically matter, God and soul. Okay, unfortunately the current education speaks only about one section, 1/3 of it. Okay, doesn't give the complete information about the other two aspects. Okay, but the complete knowledge we can understand only if we know all these three. Okay, so we'll now understand, we'll try to understand what exactly reasonable and what is a blind faith means. Now take example, a simple example. Okay, in a COVID situation. Okay, we all are experienced now with sorry, we all are experienced, or we have heard about many about the doctors, right? We've never been in our life, entire life before. We quite often we are hear about the disease and the doctors, so which is quite common nowadays because of COVID. Okay, so when we can say this doctor is a good doctor, बहुत अच्छा doctor है, okay, so he should have a good credentials, good reputation, okay, credibility and diagnosis, right? Credentials means हाँ ये बंदे का क्या क्या इसको इसने कहा कौन सा कॉलेज से पास हुआ है, कितने कितने डिग्री से, ओके, दीज आर ऑल आर क्रेडेंशियल्स. रेपुटेशन, अच्छा कितने लोग जाते हैं इसके पास, कितने रेपुटेशन, रेप्यूटेड इज इट फ्रॉम इज कमिंग फ्रॉम रेप्यूटेड हॉस्पिटल और व्हाट एग्जैक्टली, सो दैट वी विल आल्सो चेक दैट. क्रेडिबिलिटी, इसने कितने लोगों को he has able to cure, right? That is very important, right? We check credibility, iska credibility kya hai, okay, and he is able to diagnose this properly. So this is a fair understanding of what exactly we see, right? Okay, so now let's see, when we want to check, when we want to see, there is a, when we want to verify and when we want to have a reasonable faith, means basically what we do, there has to be sensible, sensible, ये मेरे ख्याल से ये है, and things which can verify, and then we combine together and we make it as a, yes, this is a reasonable faith, right? So which means it's not a blind faith, it's a sensible, it's a reasonable faith. क्या one is sensible, हाँ मैंने देखा था, मैंने बात किया था इससे, I think whatever my understanding is there, this person is things are valid. एंड उसके बाद वेरीफाइंग, हाँ किसने क्या क्या किया है, हम क्योंकि उसके बारे में जानते नहीं हम लोग डॉक्टर के बारे में, तो वी हैव टू वेरीफाई वेदर दिस पर्सन इज रियली गुड डॉक्टर और नॉट, एंड देन वी कम टू द यस, हैव ए फेथ दैट ये डॉक्टर सही है, सो एंड सो यस, पूरा वेरीफाई करने के बाद यस इसने ये क्यूर किया है मेरे फैमिली को, यस आई हैव ए फेथ. ओके, सो सेंसिबल, व्हाट विल डू, विल चेक credentials, okay, we check reputation, we check credibility and diagnosis, अच्छा कर रहा है, सब कुछ अच्छा कर रहा है ये सब, okay, and when we say verifiable, when we see the result, इसने कैसे क्योर, कैसे कितने लोगों को क्योर किया, अरे मुझे भी क्योर किया, yes, we accept, right? So this is called, yes, we can have a reasonable faith. This theory applicable in our every day-to-day life. For that matter, आप जिस कॉलेज में आप ज्वाइन हुए, you did this, right? You did this sensible, अरे इसने कॉलेज में क्या क्या है, इसने सही में ये सब सच में क्रेडिबल है, कितने साल पुराना है कॉलेज, and how reputed is, what exactly, where exactly placements, इसके बाद placements क्या करते, okay, इसमें टीचर्स कैसे, कौन से कितने एक्सपीरियंस है, we did all this sensible, okay, उसके बाद देखते verify, yes, हाँ इसने इसका रिजल्ट है ना बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है, yes, then we have a reasonable faith, right? So in the same way, reasonable, not only desirable, but it's an essential, right? Okay, now this is very important. Now अभी तक हम लोग जो सीखे, we can have what is the reasonable faith, why they don't put on a spiritual life, ठीक है? Why do people think faith in spirituality is unreasonable? अभी तक हम लोग day to day life में reasonable, we do that, but when it comes to the spirituality, we said no, it's unreasonable. क्यों unreasonable है? So see, in material life में क्या करते हैं, we don't have an alternative, okay? जब कॉलेज में बताते हैं कि yes, E is equal to mc square, we haven't seen, we cannot see, we cannot understand, okay, we cannot, seeing is believing, वो सब बाजू रख देते हैं, seeing is believing, we don't ask, Sir, seeing is believing. Okay, I accept these things, and I don't accept these things. So you have to prove me. We don't ask this question. क्योंकि सर बोलेगा अगर नहीं नहीं करना है तो निकलो यहाँ से, basically marks नहीं मिलेगा. No, we accept. Yes. No. We don't have any alternative. We just blindly accept it. Okay. So we are forced to put that faith in us. Okay. We don't see the electrons, protons, etc. But when we write the exams, because we need a marks, we just accept and we believe. But when it comes to the spiritual life, Arey, this is optional. Ye kyun? Why exactly is this? Okay. So we think that in material life में results probably दिख जाता है. Results we can see, we can feel the result. But spiritual life में ना ज़्यादा we cannot see that. हमें दिखता नहीं है. So we don't accept it, right? So why people don't accept spirituality? One of the main reason is people don't believe. Many people, koi believe nahi kar rahe, so maybe I don't believe in it, because our understanding is just completely on, yes, sense perception, just like a Dr. Frog की तरह है ना, sense perception. जो मुझे समझ में आ रहा है मेरे दिमाग के इतना है, because if you see the Dr. Frog का दिमाग उसका दिमाग कितना रहता है, और can it fathom कि ocean कितना बड़ा है? Cannot, because it never seen, because that Dr. Frog never seen, so it cannot believe. So it blind faith on his senses. Okay, but here what we can see here, spirituality, when it comes to it, people don't believe it, so even I should, and most people not follow spirituality. सब लोग follow नहीं करते, so we shouldn't. We have majority, we have a faith according to the majority, right? Most of the people don't believe, so even I don't believe, that kind of a thing. Okay, beyond with these things, spirituality is beyond sense perception. These three things. What is that? People don't believe in it. Most people not following. So I don't follow. And beyond the sense perception, the three things are which makes us think that yes, spiritual life, we don't believe in that. We don't go for spiritual life. So in one sense, if you look at it, is everywhere, right? Whether it is doctor or anywhere, okay, so it is fake everywhere. So but we think that yes, science means cannot be possible, it is perfectly fine with that, right? Or when material life, I'm talking about material life, it is perfectly fine, we accept it. So let's take, so far what we have discussed so far is blind faith versus the reasonable faith. इसके बारे में detail. So in our every walk of our life, we kept faith. But many times when it comes to the spirituality, they ask questions. Why like this? Why like that? Why, we put our faith in science, the science which actually have a blind faith. Many times they blindly accept, but we just neglect that. Okay, now let's go with the activity. This is very nice activity. So for this, I need one volunteer. Anyone? I just need someone to read. कोई भी आके. No problem.
Sir, should I go for it?
Yeah, please. Thank you. Who is
sir,
speaking? Arpit?
what do I have to do?
Is that Arpit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Go ahead.
Sir, what do I have to actually read? All the questions, right?
No, you just read from the first paragraph.
Okay. So, in the material concept of life, from a top executive in the street, everyone is running busily asking, where is my job and food? Where is my accommodation? Where is my partner? How can I compete and survive? How can I increase my comforts, prolong and enjoy life? Everybody is looking for a peaceful life of comfort and luxury, enough money in pocket with no need of slog. People also want a life free from diseases, dangers, old age, death, accidents, quarrels, etc. But it is a quite well-known fact that the world we live in brings all these unwanted experiences, which makes man inquire, why should I suffer? Can I put a full stop to all these sufferings? Who is the supreme cause of all these causes? What is the purpose of the creation? Then why is this world created? Can I be happy forever? Who has created all of us and this world we live in? What is my duty to God?
So it is very important, this section is. So what exactly in our, this first paragraph speaks about our aims, right? Yes, we all looking for comfort. Everyone is looking for comfort. मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे उसके लिए मेरा गाड़ी चाहिए, मेरा बंगला चाहिए, सब कुछ चाहिए. We want something which will give me a comforts in my life. Okay, अच्छा mobile, everything. This is what we are looking for. And we are not looking for miseries, right? I mean, I don't want COVID, I don't want diseases, danger or old age. ये सब किसी को भी नहीं चाहिए, but ये आते रहेगा. See, the troubles are so much. Actually, we are all are already experienced in our life, right? In the last one and a half hour, 1.5 year, what we have seen, so many people are mentally sick. Okay, the COVID has created many people wonder कि क्या है, I mean, कैसे जी रहे हम लोग, what kind of life it is. So why this, the people are wondering कि क्या, what exactly the purpose of life is. The people started asking, because they have put so much of faith. This scientist can do, or this material life can give me happiness, but they realize that, my God, these things are uncontrolled. It's just that somehow it happened to be, somehow be so many years, somehow it, but now we can understand by this COVID situation that many things, like, whether powerful countries, they cannot see the COVID. Itna small and they cannot even see. So it is inconceivable for us. So what we are saying is, when we go through this pain, then when we go through this suffering, then we'll ask this question: why am I suffering? Why should I suffer? किस लिए मैं, why I have to be? Because see, if you look at it, I work for almost 25 years for now. Okay, the most happy moment of any job satisfaction कब रहता है पता है? Job satisfaction is only between the jobs. जब एक जॉब छोड़ देते हैं तो दूसरा जॉब पकड़ते हैं. पकड़ने से पहले या छोड़ने के बाद पकड़ने से पहले इसका जो जॉब गैप है, दैट इज द जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन. नेक्स्ट जॉब है, मुझे हैप्पी मिलेगा. ओके, उधर जाने के बाद पता चल, अरे ये भी इधर ही भी वैसे ही है. दिस प्लेस इज आल्सो लाइक दैट. अरे ये भी ऐसे है, मैनेजर ऐसे ही बेकार है, ये बाजू जो आदमी बैठा है एकदम बेकार है, ये ऐसे ही है, वो ऐसे ही पैसे नहीं देता है मुझे, the salary won't increment. If you are thinking that this suffering stops after you getting a job, we are actually like in one sense the Dr. Frog understanding. So that does not mean we should not look for a job. Our dharma, we have to perform our duty when it comes to, yes, these things there. So the point is, we have the place it is designed is that, yes, it is going to come. The suffering is going to come again. It's been forced on us. Somehow it is forced on us. Okay. So then we started asking. Okay. So then the question comes, right? So that's why in Vedanta Sutra says Atato Brahma Jigyasa, means what is the purpose of this human life? Okay, that is the first question. Atato Brahma Jigyasa is actually Vedanta Sutra's first sutra. Okay, the human life, what is the purpose of human life is? Okay, Uttishtata means wake up. Please wake up. It's saying that Uttishtata, wake up. Jagrita means basically accept this boon of human life. Human life, like, what is the purpose of it? try to understand. Okay, that is important. Like, if you just think, the millions of people came, millions of people died. Okay, and in future we are going to be also a part of it. So what is this? Why exactly we have come? Okay, just for the sake of a job we are living, just for the sake of money we are living? What exactly the purpose? So we have to ask this question. So dharma starts when human inquire about all these questions. Question pushna hai. See, that's why you see most of the scriptures have questions, question and answers. Okay, so a person is very intelligent who asks questions, right? Okay, so it's very important to ask questions, of course, in a mood of trying to learn rather than challenging. Okay, so take example of this one. Next one. Okay, what you are seeing is a beautiful city in New York. Okay, the Empire State. Okay, so it's a huge buildings. What you're seeing. Okay, we all know these are all man-made, right? Okay, so see that it's a beautiful scenery in one sense. Okay. It's a modern creation, right? Okay, now let's read this part. Okay, next, anyone wants to read, please? Anyone? Okay, Arpit, you can try again.
Okay, sir. So let us consider the hypothetical.
You all know Aboriginals, man, right? Okay, so basically they are coming from a background, they don't have an understanding of a modern understanding. So yeah, go ahead, Arpit.
Systems, etc., the Aboriginal man will naturally marvel at how it has come to be. But he will hardly be able to answer this question through direct sensory perception. He may well believe that such a place has always been there, like some mountain range, or he may simply become bewildered.
Okay, now what exactly this Aboriginal? Aboriginal is the person I haven't seen. उसने देखा नहीं कि ये अरे ये बिल्डिंग्स कैसे बनते, ये सब कैसे बनते, वो सब देखा नहीं. Suddenly समझो ये बंदे फर्स्ट टाइम न्यूयॉर्क सिटी में लैंड हो गया. ओके, तो उसने देखा माय गॉड इतने लंबे लंबे इतने बड़े बड़े बिल्डिंग्स. Okay, can't even fathom, right? So he can see that, oh my god, I think this is same like जो मैं देखता हूँ, उधर बड़े बड़े हिल्स रहते, ये सब रहते, इसने ऑटोमेटिकली बनाया वाला है, सेम ऐसे ही इधर भी सिस्टम जो ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल है सब अपने आप बन गया है, जस्ट अपने आप, एवरीथिंग एज क्रिएटेड अपने आप. Okay, so he is thinking like that. Okay, in the next, if you look at it, on the other hand, the European man. Yes, Arpit, go ahead.
Okay. So on the other hand, a European man landing in New York on a first visit will have no difficulty in understanding that the city was constructed over several hundred years by countless architects and craftsmen. Although our cultured visitor did not see the city being constructed and has not met any of the architects or craftsmen involved, his belief will be entirely reasonable, but he will have to admit that, strictly speaking, it is a type of faith, an entirely reasonable faith. The conclusion of the aubergine, however, must be termed unreasonable faith.
Yes. So what we can understand, this European man, it happened to be a French president, I believe. Okay. So yeah, so this European man, okay, when he landed in New York, he first, New York देखते से अरे इतने लंबे लंबे so in you see Paris, it may not be a very tall buildings like a New York City, but when he has अगर New York City में देखा है तो उसने पता, उनको by default समझ जाता है कि yes, actually I haven't seen ये सब building construction करते समय देखा नहीं है, मैंने देखा नहीं है ये सब कंस्ट्रक्शन करते समय, but I can understand that someone must have did this Okay, so there is some architect might have did, some craftsman might have did it so nicely, nice building, nice structures, someone did it. So this is called a reasonable faith. Okay, whereas if you see aboriginal ka unreasonable way, क्योंकि is having ये सब इधर ऐसा जैसे natural अपने आप हो गया होगा कुछ, whether it is a traffic signals or buildings or whatever, skyscrapers, whatever thing, everything came. So this is called a reasonable. Okay, so because he has seen, the European man have seen, okay, ये सब होता है तो इधर भी ऐसे ही हुआ है. I haven't seen, आर्किटेक्ट को देखा नहीं है कंस्ट्रक्शन करते समय, बट समझ आएगा कि ये सब ऐसे हुआ तो ये भी ऐसे ही है. ओके, सो बोथ हैविंग ए both have not seen, दोनों देखे नहीं ए बिल्डिंग बनते समय, बट स्टिल completely different completely having a different faith of understanding. Okay, so this is, let's see, go to the, we may, yes, go ahead, Arpit.
We may be safe in having reasonable faiths, such as the faith that New York City has been built by intelligent craftsmen, but we must be careful not have unreasonable faiths based on only superstitions like the Aborigine man.
So that is what it is, a blind faith, right? It is like a blind faith. Let's take this example now. Okay, now let's, yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Now let us suppose further that upon building, now let us suppose further that upon landing at John F. Kennedy Airport, our European meets a wild-eyed man who hands him a book propounding the doctrine that New was not constructed in any of the aforementioned ways. Rather, some 100 years ago, there was an explosion in the Hudson Bay region, and after the smoke cleared, the entire city, complete with skyscrapers, subways, and telephone system. Sorry, one slide. Okay. Complete system was standing in.
What you are seeing in the screen?
Please.
Sorry.
Sir, actually, the slides were changing, but now we could see last when you played the slide.
Now you can see?
Yes, sir.
Is it changing when I change?
Sir, actually, when you change the slide, it resumes to back to the PowerPoint where we can see this thing. We can see the about templates of the others.
Okay, okay. Now you can see. So some problem actually. It just. एक minute, huh? Yeah, so what you are seeing here, so this person have a, okay, weird understanding. Okay, what exactly he is having, the Big Bang. Okay, Big Bang understanding, right? क्या हुआ, इसने बताया कि yes, there was a big bang. Okay, there was a huge explosion on the Hudson Bay region, and there was a smoke and entire city. Okay, this entire city started automatically came into the picture. Now ये सुन के anyone can believe that. Okay, although by direct sense perception, the European will not able to prove this doctrine false. Okay, since he has not personally absorbed the construction, nevertheless, he will conclude that a young wild-eared man is silly and mad. क्यों? ऐसा हो सकता है? Okay, when we talk about, when we hear about a Big Bang, say पूरा बन चुका है, in the entire universe, a small bang, can it create? You all know in Europe, they are simulating the Big Bang. Okay, you can search, actually you will find that they have spent almost 50 to 70 billion dollar, 50 to 70 billion dollar just to simulate the Big Bang. Means they have somewhere the deep faith that yes, Big Bang can create something, some life out of it. Okay, so that is having the faith. Now, okay, now if you look at it in this way, okay, now take example from a scientific observation, we learn that the physical structure of a living cell is more complex. अगर structure देखोगे हमारा cell का, it is trillions. So it is trillions of in our body we have a 30 trillion cells are there. Okay, and each it is as complex, much more complex than a New York City. You might be not knowing that New York City kitna bada hai. It is much bigger than the Bombay itself. Okay, so Bombay itself is a huge, right? Navi Mumbai, both sab kuch nikal ke. So complete sabka telephone lines or sub, that you see. Actually, I've seen apartment mein. Anytime you go to the telephone का जो especially broadband का जो wires है, it is impossible to understand वो क्या चल रहा है उसमें, वो कौन सा wire किधर जा रहा है, कुछ पता नहीं चलता हमें. Okay, only that person knows some more, some even he find it difficult to understand. Okay, but we are talking about in New York City, and that complexity, our cell, one cell we are talking about, एक cell की बात कर रहे हैं. It is that cell, and we are thinking that yes, this has come by chance. तो न्यूयॉर्क सिटी न्यूयॉर्क सिटी अपने आप नहीं आ सकते हैं. Okay, we accept that. वो जो the bald man was saying that we don't accept. अरे ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? तो हमारा बॉडी में सेल कैसे आ सकता है? सेल भी नहीं हो सकता है, तो कैसे हो सकता है एवरीथिंग? So we understand that this whatever creation is happening because of there is not a big bang, there is a big brain behind that. Right? Furthermore, human body works smoothly and amazing precision. Even more amazing, these complex cells have the ability to regenerate themselves, a concept that City Planning Commission could not even begin to conceive. Okay, तो वो conceive भी नहीं कर पाता है कि कितना बड़ा होने वाला है. So that is what it is. Okay, so if we were to conclude that the human body has also been planned and constructed by some highly intelligent person or the person, then it is called a reasonable faith. So कौन सा reasonable है, कौन सा blind है? Now we understand, right? When we conclude that अरे ये न्यूयॉर्क नहीं बन पाया अपने आप, तो हमारा बॉडी भी नहीं बनना चाहिए अपने आप. Okay, so we conclude that yes, this is a reasonable faith. New York is planned, created by some mayor who has designed everything, कैसे बनना चाहिए, कैसे होना चाहिए. And in the same way, our body also, हमारा शरीर भी कोई बनाया. Someone is there who has craftsman who has created this, right? It didn't came from the explosion. Okay, like all believe. Okay, so we can have a reasonable faith that the universe and its contents, including ourselves, are creation of a eminently intelligent, powerful, and expert supreme being. Okay. So we see around the things and we can understand. See, coconut के नारियल के अंदर पानी कैसे गया? So पानी, how exactly from the ground it went to up? There must be supreme intelligence. Okay. So let's take a quiz quickly. A quiz लेते हैं. Okay. So can I will just read out the match the following. Okay, and encircle the appropriate ones on the right side. A, B, C, D, E, F, G है. One item and on the left. Okay, जो आप left side देख रहे हैं ना. Take example. The first one is wild-eyed man. Wild-eyed man. Okay, we have to match which are all the points. Take example of wild-eyed man. Okay, कौन सा points हो सकता है? Correct.
D.
Let's read one by one. A, must be nut due to his unreasonable faith in Hudson Bay explosion. Is it correct? Wildman का understanding क्या है? ये सब एक bomb blast हुआ and सब city बन गया. So A is correct or not? Is a nut. Must be a not. Why? He is not having a what is that? Is due to unreasonable faith in Hudson Bay explosion. Explosion हुआ है and उससे सब पूरा city बन गया. तो उसका understanding ये है. तो A is correct according to the first point. Wild-eyed man. Okay. Then which is the next one? Wild-eyed man. H. If you look at it, the H as unreasonable faith for calamity, claiming city's origin from the explosion. So this is the wild-eyed man thoughts. Now let's look at it. European man, what exactly he thinks? Can anyone answer? European man. So first one is A and H. Okay. Now second one, what is the answer? Try, no problem, even if it is European man. Uska kya understanding hai? Let's read out B. Thought that the city must have been constructed by architect. Is it correct or is it true? You all are with me? Aapka understanding, is it you understood whatever the concept what we read here before? Hello. Okay, if someone can chat box me. Okay, second, Arpit is mentioning 2 is I and B. Okay, let's read out B. B is correct. Yes. Thought that city must have. Thought that the city must have been constructed by architects. Yes, right. And I, let's see the I. Did not see the city being constructed, did not meet architects or craftsmen who might have constructed. Still, he is reasonable in faith. Yes. Okay. So B and I both are right. Okay, let's take aborigine man. क्या आंसर रहेगा? Aborigine का कंक्लूजन क्या है? First is E, right? Has a blind faith due to his native conclusion. अरे इसने देखा है बिल्डिंग, ये सब बिल्डिंग्स देख के समझा है कि हाँ मेरे नेटिव में ऐसे ही है, बड़े बड़े पत्थर है, बड़े बड़े ये है, तो ये भी ऐसे ही बन गया. So his understanding is that yes, okay, E. Okay, then what else? E is the one I believe. Okay, inquire. Yes, and the fourth one, cell in a human body. Can anyone speak? Cell in a human body. Which is the right answer? C, compared to, yes, absolutely right. C, cell in our human body is like compared to the New York City, which has telephone and the electric circuits. Yes. Anything else? That's it. Okay, and the last is very important, the dharma. What exactly dharma means? Can anyone answer? Which is the correct answer? You didn't find the answer? Dharma means, yeah, someone mentioned, Arpit mentioned, yes, phi, which is F. Yes, that's right, correct. Inquire on the God, purpose of creation, and how exactly stop suffering. Ye actually human life, the purpose of human life is, why I'm suffering. Okay, try to how I can come out of this. That is the main purpose of that is the purpose of this human life is. Okay. Let's go to the next. We'll just take a 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes will end here. Okay. Second activity. Okay. So I'll just read out quickly. So here, what we are seeing in the picture is the gulab jamuns, right? And we are seeing that the human one carrying the flower. Okay. So please pair up with. Okay, we don't have to do that in this universe. A place of a collision of a dead atoms and molecules with no higher meaning are out of mother and father and friends whom we love nothing more than a chemical bundle. Is that correct? हमारा जो माता पिता जो प्यार देते हैं, it is just a emotions are nothing but a some kind of a chemicals coming out of it. Is it like that? So is the exchange of love nothing more than a some secret of chemicals in our body? हम लोग जब जब गुस्से some emotions आते हैं हमारा, it could be some in anger, some in a emotions can express in a kind of a crying or whatever the expression is, just is a chemicals in our body. Okay, so for that matter, if you see when we see a gulab jamun. Okay, in this picture what we are seeing is a gulab jamun, or for that matter any food, whatever the favorite food you are. Okay, it can describe, take example gulab jamun leke aate, yes, it can describe itna ye liquidy hai, itna size hai, itna what is the weight of it. It can give everything, the mechanical understanding, it can give you perfectly iska weight kitna hai, sab kuch deta hai. लेकिन ये नहीं देगा कि how tasty it is, right? So mechanical understanding is what it does. It will give what exactly it is. It will not explain how it is, right? Whether it is our feelings, whether it is our thinking, feeling and willing, right? These things cannot be expressed by the mechanical way. Similarly, the love, the joy, these are all fine. These are all the qualities of a human. Okay, so all these qualities what you are seeing are a humility, the shyness, courage and everything. These things are because the soul is exists, because हमारे इसमें जो आत्मा है, that's why we have this. Okay, you won't find this kind of expressions. Okay, this kind of expressions in a machine. Okay, maybe yes, some kind of a creation it may show. Okay, it may show, but that is written down. अच्छा, ये अगर ये देखे तो अगर दूसरों के आंखों में पानी देखोगे तो रोना शुरू करो. Might have written some kind of a artificial intelligence. Okay, robotic. Yes, seeing that. Yes, I feel that, but there is no feeling as such, right? Someone has written down. Okay, so computer can tell about the exact color comparison, everything it can tell. Okay, but it cannot tell what. It cannot tell the feelings, how beautiful it is. Take example, seeing the flower, or if I hear some nice music, it can tell ye kon ga raha hai ya ye sab bol sakta hai, but it cannot tell how beautiful, how melodious the sound is. It cannot tell, right? It cannot tell how beautiful what we are seeing, the nature, the expressions. These things cannot be understood by. Okay, so now Thomas Thomas, what exactly he said? Thomas is, just read out. There is one more question there. We'll just read out that. There is a third thing in the universe to wit, consciousness, which I cannot see the matter on force. What is that? There is a third thing in this universe is wit, consciousness. इसके बाद क्या कर रहे? Third thing is consciousness, which I cannot see to be a matter or force. Okay, क्या बता रहे? The third thing, ये सब देख रहे हो सब, yes, but the third thing is a consciousness which you cannot see. The science cannot solve the ultimate mystery in the nature, because this is the last, in the last analysis, we ourselves are the part of the mystery we are trying to solve. Okay, so the world is not just made up of a matter. We can see that there is a matter, spirit and controller. हम लोग MSB लेके है ना, this is what exactly it is, MSB. So matter, spirit and controller. So controller is nothing but a God, Ishvara. Okay. So everything, whatever you're seeing around, Lord Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Maya Dakshina Prakriti Surataya Sarachara, means basically whatever you're seeing, everything is coming, it is through my, I am controlling it. Who is saying that? Krishna is saying that whatever is you're seeing around, everything is under my control. So whatever Durga Devi, who is the controller of this material world, is under the jurisdiction, under the direction of a Lord, direction of Krishna. Okay, she performed that a duty. Okay, just like a CEO. CEO, what exactly CEO does? CEO ka job hai, yes, to organization ko chalana, right? He is not a proprietor. Okay, CEO is working under the direction of a proprietor. So in the same way here, the Durga Devi. Now the last quiz, what we'll just go through. Okay, so encircle the right answer from the multiple choice given below. Okay, now let's see. Thomas का statement क्या बताया? Which everything looks same. Okay, which is right? D proves that there is a third thing in the universe, spirit. Yes, you are right, Arpit. The D is right. Okay, any other? So the C is not correct because proves that matter and the force gives rise to consciousness. Matter cannot give the rise to the consciousness. Okay, so only D, right? Let's move on to the next. Yes. Find out the odd man out. Okay, which is that odd man out? A, B, C, D. Okay, a machine can estimate the sound in a vehicle, but not tell us the sweetness of the raga. Okay, the scientist can describe the shape, size, quantity, and sugar. See, if you see A, C, D, all are talking about a device or instruments. Only the B is talking about a scientist. Scientist means there is a spirit soul involved, right? It's a scientist. So B is the odd man. Okay, so B. And the third one, who is the true MSc, Master in Science? Okay, can anyone answer this? Third one. One who is graduated from MSc degree from the college, one who knows the matter and spirit both and not just matter alone. One who knows the matter, spirit, and controller of both, not just matter alone. Only one who has mastered science by conducting research, which is correct. Master of science. Okay, Omkar, F, G, D, A. My God, everyone is trying. Okay, so the correct answer is, see, if you look at it, A, which is of course A, in you get a degree, but what is the true? What exactly the true understanding of a science means? Master means. Okay, one who knows matter, spirit, and controller of both, not just matter alone. Right? So it is basically C. Okay, yes, Raj bataya ki yes, A, graduated from MSc degree. In one sense, yes. Okay, we see that only it is who got a degree, but real understanding. Okay, so just quickly give an example of how we tiny controller and the God is a supreme controller. So all look same, A, B, C, D, but there is some difference is there. Can anyone guess? You can turn light bulb on or off, but when there is a power cut by electricity board, you are no controller. Okay, that is A. Okay, you can turn light bulb on and off, Does science has advanced enhancement human capability to control? Okay. And C is you can turn the light bulb on and off. Thus, we are also the supreme controller. Okay. And the D, and the you can turn same thing as long as there is a power supply. Thus, the Jiva can consider minute controller. So, which one is correct? Raj, I think you are answering. If the answer is relating to this D, you are right. Okay, the correct understanding. Now, okay, we are also a controller. How? Our button switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off. Our control is only that much. समझो the main supreme controller जो है electricity board, अगर वो नहीं है तो switch on, switch off करके क्या फायदा? It's not going to work, right? The supreme controller, we are also having some level of control is there. Okay, so that control is very limited. But the supreme control, the electricity board, which is actually acting, if that is not controlled, then if he is the supreme controller, he can switch on and off. If he switch on, switch off, everyone switch off. If he switch on, everyone switch on, right? So he's the supreme controller. So we all have a tiny controlling. Okay, so with this, we'll end here. Any questions or any clarifications which are required, please. Otherwise, we can end the session here. Thank you for all your answers. Rohit, Arpit, Raj, Omkar, Vinit, you all answering. Very nice. Made it very interactive. Okay. Still, if you have any questions. So the conclusion of this session, आप क्या सीखे summary में? Okay. First thing is, you understood that there is a reasonable faith. Okay. We put in everyday life, right? Okay. Whether whatever activity we are doing, हम लोग we are sitting here and hearing, we know that okay, it's not going to be earthquake somewhere, right? We all have some faith that abhi kuch calamity nahi ho raha hai, or we know that are ghar ke andar kuch covid, you know, covid didn't come. So there's so much phobia nowadays people have become, right? So but we have a faith that yes, this place is safe. Okay, हम लोग रात को सोते हैं तो हाँ हम लोग को पता है कि छत नहीं गिरेगा वो. So this is a reasonable faith. So we have to also understand that. Okay, we also have, when it comes to the spirituality also, when it comes to the spirituality, we usually don't keep the reasonable faith. But when it comes to the material nature, material life, okay, matter relating to the life, we keep the reasonable faith or we have a blind faith. Okay, but when it comes to the spirituality, we do. But we can see that by seeing around, we can understand that yes, whatever faith is all when what we are putting a faith on God, consciousness is also a reasonable. Okay, so this is the conclusion. Okay, anyone recognize blind faith? Is that a question, Rohit? So Bhargav mentions that sorry, Rohit, I'm not sure if is that a question. Recognize blind faith summary. Is that a question or you are mentioning statement? Okay, so we'll there is an announcement, important announcement. Bhargav.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'll just thank you so much, sir, for being here, and thank you so much for your wonderful words. And you, as you described very in detail and with all the examples, that how there is faith, reasonable faith. First, you told what is faith, and then you went on explaining that how is reasonable faith and how we put faith in all the things, and with all the examples and the story of Mr. Dr. Frog, we saw that yeah, there is has to be faith in something sublime. And yeah, you later on told the miseries of this world, and yeah, in last with all the question and answers. I hope it was a really really wonderful session. I'm quite sure that students may have been really benefited through all the questions and answers and your your words. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Ranganath sir.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for your presence
Thank
and
you.
time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I request all the students to be there online. I'll just announce something. Yes, sir, we will have some announcement. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yeah, so I'll just take your 15 minutes to all the students. Yeah, so please be online. Yeah, so we have one announcement regarding some announcement regarding the later part of the our course now. So yeah, please be there. I will not take much of your time. I assure you of that. So it's already late, so I'll make it very quick. So yeah, so as I promised, we have some important announcements. I'll just share you my screen and we'll can quickly go through that. Okay, I hope you all can see my screen. Yes, yes, can everyone see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. Thank you. Thank you. So as you all can see, there are some points mentioned here: gift points, a spiritual article, and positive thinker quiz, and SPL version 4.0 positive thinker website. What is it? So we'll just see. So yeah, first let's go for gifts point. Gift points. So what is this gift point? So gift point, just as you might have redeemed a coupon for some gift or article that we purchase in a shop. So similarly, we have this concept of gift points in Voice Club for this particular positive thinker session and after coming sessions also. So yeah, you can now also earn many gift points and get assured gifts of your choice. So yeah, so you want to earn these gift points, yeah, so it should participate in spiritual article quiz and positive thinker quiz, and you can assist us also in soul feed articles. So what these things are, I'll just tell you now. So yeah, so but yeah, so let's in before going into that, I'll just share you that what is this gift point and how we are managing it currently. So yeah, I'll just share you this yeah, I hope you are able to see my screen now. So yeah, so you all can see some names of the students, right? Are you able to see these names? Yes, all of you can turn on your mic and speak with me, no problem.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. You
yeah.
are. We can see that.
Yeah, so these are the some names those students who are currently attending positive thinker session. So in front of their names there are gift point earned. So like suppose let's take for Aniket. Aniket has earned 32 gift points. So 32 gift points he has earned through all this being a topper of some quiz and all that. So here you can see one gift point means 15 rupees. So this 32 point means how many rupees? 480 rupees he has earned till now. So yeah, so this gift points, they are just like a coupon. So as a coupon we have and we can redeem it for some things. So like this you can redeem this gift points for gift of your choice. Yeah, so we are going to give you some options of the gifts, and you can and after receiving some gift points you can redeem that gift for your gift points. Like you see, here are some gift point used, like many students haven't used, some of them have used, like see Devanshu has used his gift points and he has remaining with 4.22 gift points, like that. And here is the gift point table, now I'll show you that. And here is individual gift point sheet. So here you can see that when they have get got gift points, like Amit has got being a topper and all those things. Yeah, so these are the things of being a topper in quiz. So what are the gifts that we are going to give you? So don't worry about the details. I'll send you the whole PPT on your group so you can peacefully like read that. So now just you can carefully hear me. So these are the gifts that we will be giving you, like earphones, like you see JBL earphones of 600 rupees, and wireless Bluetooth earphones and earphone cases and headphones and Bluetooth speakers and pen drives and OTGs and all those things. Yeah, so these are the things that you can get after earning some gift points. Okay, so let's now again back to the PPT. So yeah, so you might be seeing now the PPT. Yeah, so you can, how you can earn these gift points: be a topper, win the quizzes. Yeah, so by doing that you can win these gift points. Very amazing gifts you can win, and that for sure it's not any bluff. So yeah, you can be sure of getting some nice wonderful gifts from the side of Voice Club. So yeah, and also now let's see what is Spiritual Premier League. So SPL stands for Spiritual Premier League version 4.0. So yeah, we have had three versions of the Premier League, very successful. And what is the Spiritual Premier League? Here the students like you will participate on the presentations based on Discover Yourself course related topics. So all the things that we saw in Discover Yourself, you now will be presenting. So till the time till now your voice seniors were presenting, but now you will be presenting on the Discover Yourself topics. So this thing will not last for so many, like much longer days like we had in last 3 seasons, but especially for you, all of you guys, those, because you missed this SPL. So we are having a bonus round of SPL. So in that you will be having 4 rounds, and you will be going through like a roller coaster of all the rounds, very interesting rounds. And then you will be winning it if if you get all the answers correct and you are the highest scorer among all the rounds. So yeah, then you will get a lots of gift point. So do you want to watch the promo of this SPL? Yes. Would you like to see the promo video?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. I'm not getting a nice response, but still I'll show you. Then it might be some response might be there. Okay. Yeah, just a minute. I'll just open it. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll just open it. Yeah, here it is, and yeah, I'll play it now. Yeah, I hope all of you can see the screen. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
you all
sir.
can. Yeah, I'll just share the sound also. Sound is also being shared. Okay, please.
Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Yeah, I hope that was a really interesting video. Yeah, so that was the video we had made for the promo video. Yeah, so that goes to explain that it was a really wonderful event, and everyone loved it. But now for you we have arranged this bonus round. So what is this bonus round? I'll quickly tell you that what we'll be having this bonus round. Yeah, let me share my screen again. Yeah, so this is the this is the bonus round that I was talking about. So like as in IPL, you all have this yeah, and as in IPL you all have this mm, this all these things, like yeah, there are teams and matches and man of the series and winners and losers and semi-final and all those things and scoreboard and coaches and umpires. So and prizes, here also we have very very exciting prizes, so you can all participate to win exciting prizes in the SPL version 4's bonus round, and that is going to come on the 20th of June, and there you can win a lot of gift points. So what are the gift points that you might be asking? So the first place, so you can participate in team or individually also. So all the rules I have, I'll send it to you over the group so you can read it. I just now go very quickly. So yeah, first winner, they will get or he will get 40 gift points. 40 gift points into 15. How much it is? 600 rupees. And similarly, second winner will get 35 gift points and third winner will get 30 gift points. So like that, there will be like kind of a sale of gift points. Yeah, so it's a really really wonderful. So there are four rounds. I'll tell you very quickly. So first round is like press the buzzer. There will be a slide shown to you, and you have to guess and you have to tell correctly this slide is from this device of this subtopic. Yeah, so these are the rules. You can read it later. There are some marks for correct point. There is some negative marking for wrong answers, and everything will be judged by judges. And there is second round, that is present your best. So you will be given one slide at a on the spot. You have to present it for some minutes, 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, and yeah, so that will be also evaluated by judges. This is the evaluation criteria. There is the third round, defeat the devil's advocate. So your opposite, the audience, will be they will be like a devil's advocate. It means if you present some argument, they'll be presenting counter arguments to your argument, and they will be like a devil, so you have to defeat them through your arguments. So that is the round third. Yeah, and then there is a rapid fire round. So rapid fire round means like in 10 seconds you have to give the answer to the question asked. So yeah, that is rapid fire round. So all these rounds, if you see, they will develop a particular skill in you, that is of being uh, very conscious of very conscious and giving super presentations. So that's very important, and we can all see and we can all participate in all these wonderful rounds on 20th of June and be a part of this wonderful event. Yeah, so yeah, so this is also about quiz. And now let's talk about what is spiritual article. So spiritual article is meant to quench your thirst for wisdom. So these articles will be published from tomorrow to your group also, to the WhatsApp group, and you can go through them for timeless wisdom of Vedas. And there will be enthralling quizzes based on these articles, and you can win more and more gift points if you participate in this quiz and become a topper. Okay, so yeah, there are gift points for the first 10 toppers. They will be awarded each one gift points if you win in the spiritual article quiz. Yeah, and yeah, so now there is something very interesting, that there is a website for our positive thinker course that has been made by some seniors of voice club. So you can go to the website and there will be everything that we are having in the positive thinker course, like videos that we post, the quotes and anecdotes and soul feed, positive thinker seminar meetings, recordings, summary notes, gift points, and quiz toppers, and everything literally we are having there. So I'll paste this link to you and in your chat box. Yeah, so I'll just do that. Okay, yeah, I just do that. Mm, okay, just give me a minute. I just paste that link. Okay, where is that link? Yeah, got it. So you can go to this link and you can see the website. Yeah, so here is the link, and you can go to the link and you can see the website. It's a very wonderful website created by Mr. Krishnakant Biradhar of Voice Club. So yeah, here I was telling about the website, and then we need to go here in the, yeah, this is a screenshot of the home page of the Positive Thinker website. So you can see everything is there on the home page, and you can go through each and everything. Okay, so yeah, now what is the Positive Thinker quiz that I was talking about? So the quiz is based on Positive Thinker session that we just had right now, and tomorrow there will be a quiz on this session. Okay, so these details will be sent to you on the group. So I request all of you to be very active on the group. So yeah, you answer questions correctly and win more and more gift points. So but you have to be very quick. It's a live quiz, and it's based on time and accuracy. So in less time, who will like be more and more accurate, so you'll get more and more gift points. So now gift points are allocated. So these gift points for Positive Thinker topper 1, 2, 3, and 4, there will be gift points like 5, 4, 3, 2. So this is the division of gift points that we have. And then the, as I told, Positive Thinker quiz toppers from 5 to 10, they will get gift points, one gift point each they will get. So just similar to the toppers of spiritual article, the 10 toppers, they will get one gift point. So this all things also I'm going to share with you, don't worry. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask me now. Okay, yeah. So yes, I think I covered everything in some time. Yeah. So if you have any questions now, you can ask me. Yes, is that there are, if there are any questions, you can ask now. No questions. Okay. So please make sure that you are there for mm, today's, sorry, tomorrow's quiz that will be based on this session that we just had. Can faith be reasonable? Oh no, actually, no. Tomorrow we'll not have on this session. Tomorrow we'll have the quiz on the very first session that was given by Mr. Ashutosh Alvani sir. So yeah, tomorrow we'll have session on that. So yeah, don't worry. Very easy questions will be there, and you all can attempt it very easily. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that was it from my side. I hope you all could get all the things, and we have a thing called Soul Feed also. I forgot to mention about that. So Soul Feed, what is Soul Feed? So Soul Feed is some articles that we publish. That tomorrow you'll get to see that what is Soul Feed. So some articles, poems that students of Voice they publish, and yeah, we post it on the Positive Thinker website also. You can see that. So yeah, you can also contribute to that, and you can win more and more gift points by doing that also. So yeah, but you can please kindly let me know that if you would like to contribute to the Soul Feed, you can personally let me know. Okay, thank you so much. If there are no questions, everything is clear. Yeah, so thank you so much all for joining. Thank you for giving out your time. Thank you so much. Thank you Omkar, thank you Archit, Arpit, thank you Ashish, Omkar Mahajan, Omkar, yeah,
Thank you,
Viraj.
sir.
Thank you so much, Raj. Thank you. Have a good night. Thank you. Bye.